Introducing the Equator 24-inch electric cooking range, a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and durability. Designed to complement any kitchen, this freestanding range is available in two sophisticated finishes, sleek white and elegant stainless steel. Experience versatility like never before with 5 essential cooking functions: bake, broil, grill, air fry, and defrost, all in one powerful appliance. The built-in convection fan ensures faster, more even cooking, delivering delicious results every time. Inside the spacious oven, it is 13.8 inches high, 18.7 inches wide, and 16.3 inches deep. With 2 convection racks, let you cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Achieve perfectly even cooking with top and bottom heating elements that distribute heat uniformly. Stay safe with the hot surface indicator light, which alerts you when the cooktop is still hot. The smooth ceramic cooktop resists stains and spills, making cleanup effortless. With 4 spacious burners, you can prepare multiple meals at once using any type of cookware. Advanced timer settings and a built-in digital clock help you keep track of cooking times with ease. The integrated splashback protects your kitchen walls from spills and splatters. Check your food's progress without losing heat thanks to the bright oven light. A convenient bottom storage drawer keeps your pots and pans within easy reach. The heat-resistant oven handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. Built to last, the anti-rust coated exterior maintains its stylish appearance over time. Designed for flexibility, this versatile range is 35.4 inches high, 23.4 inches wide, and 24 inches deep, fits seamlessly into any kitchen layout. Adjust heat levels with 6 user-friendly control knobs for precise cooking. Enjoy peace of mind with Equator's 1-year parts and labor warranty. Upgrade your kitchen with the all-in-one Equator electric cooking range, where innovation meets convenience. Order yours today.